Beauty is strength, standing tall when the world doubts you. Beauty is presence. When I enter a room, I own it.
Are you ready to create a beautiful AI animation video like this? If you want to, at no cost, make sure you stay glued to this video because you're going to be learning a whole lot. Stick around. Hi guys, I am Timitayo Olumofe. I am going to be teaching you in this video how to generate your AI images and also your AI animation video. And this is coming at no cost. You can see some YouTube content creator where they will tell you Grok. That is Grok. Grok. Guys, Grok is literally not free. If you want to use Grok, you can go ahead to use Grok. I mean, some people can afford it, but for people that can't afford Grok, this video is for you. I'm going to be teaching you how to use another AI free tool to generate your AI images and video, and voila, you have your own short AI animation video. You and I know that that is what is trending now. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing to do, which is the very first step, is to have your Google account. Without Google account, you can't do this. And that is the truth because we are going to be making use of Google Chrome. But first thing first, have an active Google account. That's your Gmail account. Then that aside, you now go to your ChatGPT. You and I know that ChatGPT has been saving lives since its invention. Now you hold your ChatGPT. I'm going to be putting some videos up on the screen so that it would give you a clear explanation on what I am teaching you, which is how to make your own short videos by using AI tool, free tool, by the way, not Grok. Okay, now let's get into it. First thing first, you go to ChatGPT to generate your story. Tell ChatGPT that this is what and what and what you want for your story. That's if you cannot type it. Yeah, if you've conceived your story idea, go to ChatGPT, type it there, or voice it like you're sending a WhatsApp voice note to somebody. Voice it there. ChatGPT would help you illustrate it, and then by so doing, it will print it out how you want it to be. Then 3 steps you need to do after generating your story through ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT to prompt your story. By prompting your story, you will have 3D image prompt. That is one. You will have scene by prompting your story. And the last part of it is you are going to be having a dialogue, because on each scene, there is going to be dialogue for every actor or every person that concerns your story. Now, when you have generated your 3D prompt, scenes, dialogue, you now go to Google Labs FX. Google LABS, then FX. On Google Lab FX, like I said, I'm going to be displaying a couple of things on the screen so that you can grasp what I am saying. You will see Flow AI, Whisk AI, Google Image FX, and then one other spelling like that. You see it on the screen. But what we are using for free that I'm teaching you here, it is Flow AI. Guys, when I got to know this, it was very seamless. And I know that a lot of people don't know, because a lot of these YouTube content creators, you see them saying Grok. And Grok, maybe for 4,000 naira for some people. Like I said, it is affordable for some people, while some people might not be able to use it, especially for a beginner on YouTube. A YouTuber that is just beginning, right? Now, let's go into the most interesting part of this video, which is what I'm going to be displaying on the screen. Make sure you follow attentively. I'll join you back shortly. Now, firstly, you go on to your ChatGPT to generate your story, and then you get the results like this. You see 3D image prompt, you see scenes, and also dialogue. Now, here is your Flow AI. Yeah, you click on it, and then you see new project. Then you go to ChatGPT to highlight your story. As you can see, I've highlighted my story here. I went to Flow AI, and this is the interface. Make sure that for your image generating, it is on Nano Banana 2. I clicked on the box. Then what I copied from my ChatGPT, I pasted it there. You can see that it's already generating, but you can see something failed. You have to click it again in case that is coming from Flow AI network. Yeah, so they will tell you to double click, because sometimes Flow AI makes mistake. As you can see, it's still generating, so you hold on until it generates the image you have pasted in that box, which is very important. You see the final outlook of the image, because what I first generated, I didn't like it. That you can see an image at the top of this one that is generating below. I did not like it, so I wanted another image. Voila, you see our image now. Boom. You can see this very image. This is what I wanted. Now, after this beautiful image, yeah, you will now go back to where you have your Nano Banana 2. In this box, you move from image to video. Then we'll now begin our video animation proper. This is what you get. I want to believe that you can see this clearly. Then after getting our video, you will see upload image. Now, you will now click that upload image or start. Either of the two, that arrow up or start, it will take you to either your library or your what they call it, choose file. Then you will now go back to the image you want, and me, I've gone back to the image I wanted. Is generating it back into that box before we now generate our AI video, animation video. You can see that is it. Then I now went back to my ChatGPT, right? I'm trying to check that project I did, which is it. I now highlighted the scene that I want to generate the AI animation video. Yeah, I copied the part I wanted. I went back to Flow AI app, then pasted my dialogue from ChatGPT to generate our video. The video has generated, but I am showing you again how I went about it. So I clicked on the image that I want to generate the video. That is my prompt. Then I went back to generating the AI video that I want to animate together. Now you can see it is generating to video because I have pasted the dialogue I want the models to say in the video. Now let's wait for it to pop up, and you now hear what those three beautiful models were saying. Now you can do this magic on Flow AI app. Our video is almost done. If you see the color changing, you're almost getting your content. Yeah, that's our video. You're going to hear it play now. Like I played, but it paused. Now you hear what those models are saying. Models, Biko talk now.
Is kindness, confidence, and staying true to who you are, even when no one is watching. True beauty is.
After generating your videos like this, you take it straight to your CapCut and start cutting it by scenes and also according to the script you generated for your final production. If you don't want to use CapCut, InShot is also there. I hope you've now seen how we generated our images, our AI images, 3D, not cartoon, whatever you. 3D, like realistic. It looks like a real human being and they are speaking proper English. Duh. Yeah, the images and the videos. Remember that you don't choke AI with a lot of dialogue, because if you do, it will start seizing. It will not give you a complete sentence. So you just take those words, those dialogue bit by bit, and it gives you correct scene for every part of your movie. Are you going to be trying this? Because it is so beautiful. You want to have your 2-minute videos, your 3-minute, 5 minutes, trust me, you can do it. And another thing I want to tell you is that there is a limit. Yeah, there is a limit to how many videos you can generate through Flow AI. You must have multiple Gmail accounts. That's the cheat, honestly. If you want to do this successfully, you have to have multiple Gmail accounts. Guys, that's the original. Have multiple Gmail accounts. When you've exhausted the credits that Flow AI gives you to generate each video content, I think it's about 5, 6, 7 credit you'll be given when you first use. When you've exhausted it, open another account, use it to complete your project, and by so doing you have your 3 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute videos. I mean, that's something. You've done something for yourself. Say, I, Damilola, I am going to do this. I mean, if you're Damilola, come on. If you're Tayo, if you're Bimpe, if you're Shola, make sure you do this. Try this out for yourself at your leisure time. I mean, you've learned something for yourself. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Make sure you try this. You will not regret. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so let's get the latest on this channel. Bye.